Inside your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chasers. Yes, it's a
YouTube. Hello there, my friend. How are you? Let me stop joking. Hey, but real quick. So, just had something come in, and I'm gonna share this unboxing with you guys real quick, just because I can. Not just because I can, but I would like you guys to, continue to see my progression in my build of my EJ1 with this B16A. So let's get to opening this box, see what we got in here. Get up in here real quick. So we got up in this box. Oh yeah, my man made sure he taped this thing down. I appreciate you, bro. Okay, a little thank you letter, for purchasing this item. What we got here? Set this box to the side. So, let me cut this open real quick. My boy got more tape on this thing. Good Lord. I appreciate the taping too, bro. I do. I truly do appreciate the taping. Bear with me, folks. Bear with me. I'm sorry. One more. It's got a little bit more tape there. Don't tell me there's more tape right there. What's that there? What you got? Oh. But we have the MSD coil with the cap. Oh, we got wire in there too. So, yeah. But as of right now, I am not going to be installing this just yet. Got a couple of more kinks I need to work out before installing this. Let's turn this around, check it out. Wow. It's looking real nice. You can comment if you want to know the guy I purchased this from, also on eBay. I'll definitely drop his name in the video, his eBay seller name, not his actual name because I don't know it. I'm not even sure where it came from. But, say ProCap, MSD. Is that part numbers there? Ooh. But yeah, part number there. But yeah, thanks guys. I'm super happy this came in the mail. Can't wait. But other than that, hey man. Something in my eye. Hey man, comment, subscribe, yo. Appreciate you guys coming through. Smash that like button. Give me that thumbs up. And subscribe, man. Any comments, any questions or whatnot, please hit me up. And catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe.